What is your favorite food? What is it? What's your favorite food?
Favorite?
Mm-hmm. Addison, can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Sean's gonna say hi. Addison, can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Oh, yeah.
Nana.
Nana, yeah.
Nana. Nana. Nana.
Mm-hmm. You wanna go to Nana's house? Who else lives with Nana?
Papa.
Papa? Yeah.
Shay. Shay.
Shay Shay, yeah. You're so smart.
Shay. Shay.
Shay Shay, yeah.
Son.
Shay Shay.
Papa.
Papa?
Nana.
Nana?
Nana. Hi.
Hi, yeah.
Money.
Sean, can you tell Nana what's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
Put.
Sean, don't throw it.
Glasses.
Oh, did you burp? What do you say? Burp, say, excuse me.
Oh, that.
Yeah, is your zipper stuck? It's okay. Now we're going to sit here and wait for Dad.
Sorry.
Well, did you hurt your leg? Well, just sit there. Okay. Can you say bye-bye? Who are they barking at?